Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. I hope everyone is staying safe. Hopefully everything will be back to normal soon. Thanks for subscribing, commenting, liking and sharing my videos. In comparison with the Galaxy A71, Samsung is bringing some speedy upgrades to the Galaxy A71 5G version. But I hope it does not mean that there will be lots of increase in price too. We will still be getting the 6.7 inches Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display with same Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. Samsung is now using the new in-house Exynos 980 octa-core processor with similar 8nm fabrication process and with the Mali G76MP5 GPU, which offers a slightly better gaming performance. The Exynos 980 is quite similar in performance to the Snapdragon 730 in the Galaxy A71. We will also still be getting similar camera hardware, but the new AI capabilities will deliver a slightly better image quality thanks to the integrated neural processing unit and the advanced digital signal processor of the Exynos 980. The Exynos 980 also brings the 5G modem, which allows up to 3.55 gigabits per second download speed thanks to the sub 6 GHz support. This 5G upgrade is amazing, but I hope the price will also be amazing. Fingers crossed. Samsung still retains the 4500 mAh battery size, but I think they should have stepped it up to at least 5000 mAh because of the extra power drain of the 5G modem. I guess they are cautious of the final weight, and there is a faster 25 watts charging, which removes the tension of low power syndrome. Just like the A71, there will be a 6GB and 8GB RAM version, which is adequate because more RAM is required to handle 5G enabled multimedia applications and tasks. There is also similar 128GB internal storage, which is much needed because the increasing 5G download speed drives the need for faster and larger storage. This is also why the SD card support has been increased to 1TB. The Galaxy A71 5G will be bringing a new Prism Cube design to the Galaxy A70 series, and it still has a plastic body and frame. There is no pink color this time. Other specifications include the same Android 10 software with One UI 2, in-display fingerprint scanner, face unlock, USB Type-C port, NFC for Samsung Pay, and triple card slots. I believe the Samsung Galaxy A71 5G will be in the same price range with the Galaxy A71. If these are the official prices, then the Galaxy A71 5G will be one of the best mid-range smartphones. Fingers crossed. Let me know what you guys think about these speedy upgrades. The most important upgrade to me is the 5G modem. Thanks so much for watching. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on to be the first to see my next official update on Samsung and other devices. Talk to you in my next video, and remain humble. Stay safe. Bye.